This is how to factory reset, hard reset any Verizon Jetpack. This is the 6620L, and let's get started. Okay, you want to have the device powered on, and now we're going to remove the back. There's a little notch here, which most people can fit their fingernail, but if you can't fit your fingernail, you can use a screwdriver to pop that open, or you can use the SIM tool that come with most phones, and you can use that to pop that open. I can use my fingernail, so I'm going to pop that open with my fingernail. Now you're going to look for this little notch in the back, and you should be able to see that says reset right there. And in the bottom of this notch is a button, and you can actually feel when you use any, again, we can use a SIM tool, we can use a mechanical pencil, a watch tool, or a big knitting needle or a sewing needle. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to push and hold that button down. So I'm going to flip the device over. I'm going to hit the button so that the screen turns on. And I've got the SIM tool lined up where I can put pressure on that button. I'm going to hold it for approximately 10 seconds starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the software in the device is going to factory reset and erase everything, every message, anything on this device so that it's fresh and clean. And one other thing I'll remind you, when you go to reset it, you can actually feel the button engage. So that's something to look forward to. And that's how you factory reset a Verizon Jetpack 6620L. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.